Hello guys, in this video we will solve some problems related to triple integral which are based on limit having a bounded curves. So let's start the concept. Well, let's see the first problem, which the triple integration is given to you and some bounded curves are given to you. Like in the place of limit, he has given you some boundary value conditions and evaluate triple integration, that is x plus y plus z, and having dx dy dz over the tetrahedron bounded by the planes which is x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0, and x plus y plus z is equal to 1. So it means in the place of limit, the some planes and the some curves are given to you which will bounds this complete function. So how we can solve out this kind of a problem? Let's see. So my dear friends, first of all, we need to find out limit from the given boundary value problems. And how we can find out the limit? Let's see. We have to solve out this triple integration which is given to you, which is x plus y and plus z, having dx dy and dz. So how we can find out the limit? First of all, the condition is given to you, which one is x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0, and other is x plus y plus z is equal to 1. So how we can find out limit? So find limit. So the one condition is given to you, that is x plus y plus z is equal to 1, which is the equation of a plane. And from this equation I can easily calculate the value of z, and which is I can write out z is equal to 1 minus x minus y. Am I right here? And in this condition, if you can say if z is equal to 0, because we have given that x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0, that is our initial conditions we have. So if I'm taking z is equal to 0 from this condition, so z is equal to 0, this equation will perform like that: your x plus y and z will be 0 is equal to 1, and from this relation you can say the y will be equal to 1 minus x. Am I right? Y is equal to 1 minus x. And if we are taking the two variables, one is y is equal to 0 and other as we have taken z is equal to 0, in that case this equation will perform like that: x is equal to 1. If your y is 0, z 0, x will becomes 1. And if your z only 0, so y will be y minus x. So the initial problems you have, one is x is equal to 0, one is y is equal to 0, and other is z is equal to 0. And the other limits you have, z is equal to 1 minus x minus y, y is equal to 1 minus x, and x is equal to 1. So I mean to say, this complete integration you can perform like that. You have a triple integration and you're going to write out the limit of x. First of all, that is from 0 to 1, like x is from 0, x is equal to 1. You can to highlight the x is equal to 0 and the other limit of x, that is 1, and y is equal to 0 and the other limit is y, that is 1 minus x. Y is equal to 0 and y is 1 minus x. And what about z? Z is lower limit is 0 and the upper limit is 1 minus x minus y. So you're going to write out 1 minus x minus y. And the function is x plus y plus z and having limit. So it is written as dx dy dz. So what is the limit for? It is limit for z. So you can write out dz, dy and dx. So it means you can change the order of integration, you can change the order of limits. So there is no problem. So now you can perform the integration one by one, and here I'm going to perform limit of 0 to 1, limit of y 1 minus x, and now first of all I will perform the integration with respect to z, and it will become x plus y and having z square divided by 2, and the limit will be 0 to 1 minus x minus y and having dy and dx. Am I right here? So now we will perform this integration as it is. Like first of all you will substitute the limit of z, after that you will perform the integration with respect to y, and you will substitute the limit of y, and at the end you will perform the integration with respect to x, and you will put the limit that will from 0 to 1 of x, and this complete solution will gives you a result, and that will be 1 by 6. I hope so that everybody is able to solve out this problem easily. Okay, so in the case of the curves are given to you, so you can easily find out limit. And how we can find out? The first of all, the initial limit is given to you like x is 0, y 0, z 0. So it means the lower limit is of x, y, z is given to you, and we have to find out the upper limit. So first of all, you will just put z is equal to 0. One variable you will substitute 0, and you will find out the limit of y in the terms of x, and after that you will substitute z0 and y0, and you will find out a limit in the value of x, like x you got a x is equal to 1. Clear? So this was the question for if the bounded curves are given to you for the integration. Let me perform the one other question. Let's see. Well, my friends, if the triple integration is given to you, I'm just taking the another example here. Triple integration is given to you, and the function is z having power 5 and plus z, and you have to perform the integration with respect to x, with respect to y, and with respect to z. Now the limit is not given to us. Now the bounded curves are not given to us, but the conditions is given to us, that is a bounded region, and that is x square and plus y square and plus z square is less than equal to 1. You will see these kind of questions. Now the boundary condition is given to you in the terms of our region, in the terms of a curve, that is x square plus y square plus z square, and we know that this equation could be a sphere or could be a cylinder. So z power 5 plus z and x dx dy dz. So we have to solve out this question, and how we can solve out, let's see. See my dear, first of all I will write out the boundary value condition, that is x square plus y square plus z square. This curve is given to you that is equal to 1. So it means I can find out the value of z in terms of x and y. So you can write out 1 minus x square and minus y square, and also you can write out what will be z. Z is equal to plus minus under root of 1 minus x square and minus y square. Clear? This is the value of z. So now see, so from this equation again what you will do, as I told you earlier, first of all you will find out the value of z in place of x and y, and after that you will just take z is equal to 0, my dear friends. Z is equal to 0. If you will take z is equal to 0, so you will got an equation that is in the form of x and y. So and here you can find out the value of y, and I can write out y is equal to 1 minus x square and having square root and having plus and minus. Am I right here? And after that you have to take as y0 as well as z0. So if you take y0 as well as z0, so this relation will gives you x square is equal to 1 and the value of x is equal to plus minus 1. So how we can find out limit? I hope so that everybody can understand now. The first of all you have to find out the value of z in the form of x and y. After that you will take z0 and you got a y, and after that you will substitute y and z, both are 0, and you got a value of x. Clear? So how your integration will perform now? Let's see. So the triple integration you can write out here, and the function is z power 5 and having z and dx, dy and dz. But I will write out, because I have to write out a limit of z here. So first of all I will write out dz, then dy, then dx. Clear? You can change the order, there is no problem at all. So what is the limit of z, my dear friends? So z will be from plus minus under root of this. So you can write out what? Under root of 1 minus x square and minus y square of negative sign, and of positive sign you can write out here 1 minus x square and minus y square. We have, because we have find out the limit of z, that is from positive to negative under root of this. So negative is lower limit and positive is your upper limit. Clear? Similarly, what is the limit of y, my dear friends? Y having a limit that is of under root of 1 minus x square, that is of negative, and under root of 1 minus x square, that is of positive. And what about x? X having minus 1 to 1. So all the limits you have now. So easily we can substitute the limit and easily we can find out the integration, the triple integration. Let's see. So what is fz? Can anybody can see what about your function? So this function, which is, I will say, that is fz function, and I can easily understand this is a odd function. Odd function. And if function is odd and your limit is given to from negative to positive, like minus a to a, in each case the limit is given to you minus a to a, minus a to a, minus a to a. So, and the function is what? Function is odd function. So you know very well this complete result gives you 0. This is your required answer. And I hope so that everybody know this relation. Like, this is a rule of integration. If you have limit of minus a to a and your function like fz dz, you're going to write out, it will be 0, or it will be twice of 0 to a of fz dz. This is 0 if your function is odd, and if you twice of this if your function is even. So our function was odd, that's why our result was 0. So this was the question. If your function is bounded by some curves, is bounded by some regions, and directly limit is not given to you, but some curve is given to you. So how we can solve out these kind of questions? So thank you so much for watching this. Bye bye.